Hi friends, it's Walid and welcome to Creative Skills. And today I am going to teach you the Photoshop most useful and important command. That is undo or redo command, and other is save or save as command. In my last Photoshop Basic series tutorial, I have introduced the Photoshop interface and some basic tools. If you didn't watch the tutorials, the link is at the top right corner of the screen, or you can check the link in the description below. Let's move to the Photoshop. I have already opened the image in Photoshop, and here we'll apply some adjustment layers. For applying the adjustment layer, we will firstly go to the image and then go to the adjustments and apply any of the adjustment you want. I'll go with the levels and select the auto and press OK. And then I will apply another adjustment layer by selecting on the image option and then adjustments, and for this time I'll apply curves and select auto and press OK. And then for the third time we'll again go to the image and select auto tune. The purpose of applying these adjustment layers to show you guys the use of undo and redo command. I'll apply some more adjustments by going to image and click adjustments for this time. For this time select hue saturation and click colorize and click OK. I have applied some adjustments which are not appearing in the layers. We'll deeply learn about the layers in our further tutorials. For now we will go to the simple layer. I want to see the adjustment which I have applied. For this I'll click on the history icon. This is the history panel where all the actions are showing here. All the adjustments are here which we have applied. If we want to undo the adjustment, for example if we want to undo curves adjustment, the all below two adjustments hide. Simply I'll click on the make layer. All the layers below adjustments will disappear, and if I click on the hue saturation, the all adjustments will appear. I can also undo the adjustments by going to the edit menu and click on the undo hue saturation. The last adjustment I have applied, the hue saturation adjustment, is hide, and again I'll go to the undo auto tune. The auto tune adjustment here is the auto tune adjustment. I'll click on the undo auto tune. This adjustment will also hide. If I want to redo this adjustment, I'll simply go to the edit and click on the redo auto tune. The auto tune will unhide. These are simply two commands. If we want to use the shortcut key, the purpose of shortcut keys to make the work more faster. The shortcut key for undo is Ctrl Z is for undo, and Ctrl Shift plus Z is for redo command. This is a simple command. We can apply undo and redo commands 50 times. Or if we want to increase or decrease the numbers, we can simply adjust these by going to the edit and go to preferences. By going to preferences and then go to the performance. Here is the history states. The limit is set to 50. I can also increase or decrease the limit. The 50 is accurate for me, therefore I'll click on the cancel button and go further. These are the undo or redo commands. These are the simple and useful commands. Wait. These are the adjustments we have applied. Now I want to save the image. I'll simply go to the file and click on the save. simple save button, or you can also use the shortcut key for saving the file is Ctrl S, and the file is saved with the amazingnature.psd file, and click on the save button. Now I want to apply some more adjustments on the image. I'll simply go to the image and click on the adjustment and select the levels and click on the auto and press OK. One more adjustment has applied on the image. Now I want to save it again by simply go to file, and for this time I'll click on the save as option. Here we have already saved the file by name amazingnature.psd, and now we will save the image with amazingnature01.psd. This is our second copy in which we have applied one more adjustment. Now we will apply some gradient. Let me undo all adjustment and click on the original image icon. This is the original image, and now I'll go to the layer and then select new fill layer and then click on gradient and then select the color mode of the layer to be color and press OK. And from here we'll select some gradients. For example, we will pick the oranges gradient and select this gradient and press OK, looking fine, and press OK. Now I want to save this image. Simply go to the file and click save as option. I have already saved these two files, and for this time I'll rename the file with amazingnature02.files.psd, and remember to check the layers option. All layers will include in this file, and click on the save button. The image saved. Now I have 3 copies of the image. Now I want to apply one more gradient by going to the layer and select new fill layer and select gradient, and again select the mode of the layers set to be color and click OK. And for this time I will select another gradient, for example green colors gradient. I'll select any of the gradient which I like and press OK. Now this is the greenish photo. Now I want to save this image as JPEG for the sharing purpose or uploading on Facebook or any other social media network, or for personal use. I'll simply go to the file and click on the export and select export as you. As you can also use a shortcut key to export the image. Here you can select the format, the JPEG, PNG, GIF or any other format. We will simply go to the JPEG folder. The quality of the image will be set to 100%. The width and height is as the image is. If you want to increase or decrease the width and height of photo, you can. The scale is also set to be 100%. If you want to increase or decrease, zoom in or out, you can also scale by it by yourself. If the image contains the metadata, copyright and contact info, etc., you can also select the copyright option, and embedded color for profile is also checked and press export. Here you will name a photo that you like. I'll simply select save and the file saved, and again I'll go to the layer and select new layer, new fill layer, and then again go to the gradient and select the mode of the layer to be color and select OK. I am applying these gradients because you guys can easily understand all the save as export files. I'll apply any of the gradient. I'll select this gradient and press OK. And now I want to export this file to upload on my website. I'll simply go to the export and select save for web. You can also press the shortcut key Alt Ctrl Shift and S. I'll right click on the screen and select fit on screen, and then here is a JPEG high quality. You can select any of the options, and JPEG is okay and quality is high and everything is fine. I'll simply click on the save button. Now the image is going to save. I have already saved the image with the same name, therefore I will rename the image to 03 and click save. I have saved all 3 images to my computer, and if I'll press Ctrl S key, the same PSD file is also saved to my computer for the further use or apply more effects. I hope you guys have understand all the basics commands, and this is the most basic and useful command of Photoshop, and I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you want to ask something regarding this tutorial, please comment us in the comment section. We'll reply you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.